Imagine this: a massive meteorite hurtling towards Earth, a scenario that has captivated the minds of scientists and the public for decades. The sheer power and destruction it could bring is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. But what if I told you that this hypothetical situation is not just the stuff of Hollywood movies? It's a real possibility that scientists are actively studying and preparing for. The impact of a large meteorite colliding with Earth could be catastrophic, causing widespread devastation and potentially leading to mass extinctions. The key to understanding this threat lies in the science behind these celestial objects. Meteorites are remnants of our solar system's formation, traveling through space at incredible speeds. When one of these cosmic rocks enters Earth's atmosphere, it becomes a meteor, creating a spectacular light show as it burns up due to friction. But what if a meteorite is on a collision course with our planet? The consequences could be dire. Depending on the size and speed of the impact, it could trigger tsunamis, earthquakes, and even alter the global climate. So, what can we do to prevent such a catastrophic event? Scientists are exploring various strategies, from early detection systems to potential deflection methods. By tracking near-Earth objects and developing technologies to divert them away from our planet, we could potentially avert disaster. As we delve deeper into the science of meteorites and their potential impact on Earth, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. While the chances of a catastrophic collision are rare, the consequences are too significant to ignore. By understanding the risks and working together to develop solutions, we can ensure the safety and well-being of our planet and future generations. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that the universe is full of mysteries, some of which may one day challenge us to rise to the occasion. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue to explore the amazing world of science and discovery together. Ever wondered what would really go down if a massive meteorite decided to crash our party on Earth? Well, buckle up, because it's not just a sci-fi flick scenario. The impact of a meteorite collision could unleash chaos, tsunamis, wildfires, and a global winter. So, while Hollywood loves a good disaster plot, let's hope this one stays in the realm of fiction. Meteorites, fascinating space rocks that survive the fiery journey through our atmosphere to land on Earth's surface. They vary in size from tiny pebbles to massive boulders. There are three main types: stony, iron, and stony iron. Stony meteorites, the most common, are rich in silicate minerals. Iron meteorites, less common but heavier, are made of metallic iron nickel. And then there are stony iron meteorites, a unique blend of both. Each type holds clues to the mysteries of our universe, waiting to be discovered. From the colossal impact that wiped out the dinosaurs at Chicxulub Crater to the stunning Barringer Crater in Arizona, Earth's history is etched with meteorite strikes. These scars remind us of the immense power of these cosmic visitors, shaping our planet's landscape and history. The Chicxulub event, 66 million years ago, changed life on Earth forever, while the Barringer Crater, just 50,000 years old, stands as a testament to the forces that shape our world. Meteorites, not just rocks from space, but storytellers of our planet's past.
Studying meteorites is like unlocking the secrets of the universe. These impact simulations reveal the immense power unleashed upon impact. From earthquakes to tsunamis, the consequences are staggering. Imagine a kilometer-wide meteorite, catastrophic. Mass extinctions, global climate shifts. It's a cosmic dance of destruction and discovery. Scientists delve deep into these craters, piecing together the puzzle of our planet's past and future. The key lies in understanding the size and speed of these celestial visitors. Brace yourself for a journey through time and space, where every impact leaves a mark on Earth's history. Ever wondered how we keep an eye on the skies for potential threats hurtling towards Earth? Well, NASA and other space agencies have got it covered with advanced telescopes and observatories. Programs like Pan-STARRS in Hawaii and the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona are on the front line, scanning for any space rocks that might spell trouble. When they spot something risky, scientists crunch the numbers to see if we need to brace for impact. Vigilance in the cosmos. It's all in a day's work. Imagine a meteorite striking a city, unleashing chaos with scorching heat and devastating shockwaves. Picture the horror of tsunamis triggered by an ocean impact, flooding coastal areas and disrupting climates. Now, envision a global catastrophe akin to the dinosaur extinction, where dust-filled skies lead to a chilling, nuclear winter. The threat to life on Earth is real, reminding us of the fragile balance we walk upon.
Imagine a world where we can control the path of a meteorite hurtling towards Earth. Scientists and engineers are on a mission to make this a reality. From kinetic impactors to gravity tractors, innovative strategies are being developed to safeguard our planet. NASA's DART mission is leading the way, showcasing our ability to deflect asteroids and protect our home. The future of planetary defense is in our hands, and the possibilities are truly out of this world. Protecting Earth from meteorite impacts is a global mission that requires teamwork on an interstellar scale. International space agencies, governments, and scientific organizations are joining forces to share data, develop technology, and coordinate response efforts. The United Nations International Asteroid Warning Network, IWN, and Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, SMPAG, are leading the charge, ensuring that all nations have the information and resources needed to defend our planet from potential threats.
Public awareness and preparedness are crucial in defending our planet. Understanding the risks of impacts and knowing how to respond can truly save lives. Schools, museums, and media outlets all play a vital role in educating the public about meteorites and emergency plans. By fostering this knowledge, we can build a stronger and more resilient society. Let's work together to be prepared and stay safe.
Advances in technology are revolutionizing our defense against meteorite threats. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are analyzing data faster and more accurately, pinpointing potential hazards. Exciting space missions like the Hera mission are exploring deflection techniques to safeguard our planet. These innovations are shaping a future where we can better protect Earth from cosmic impacts.
Meteorite impacts have left a lasting mark on our planet, altering the course of history and life itself. Take the Tunguska event in 1908, where a meteorite explosion flattened vast forests, showcasing the destructive power of even small celestial bodies. Learning from these events, scientists are honing models to predict and prevent future threats. Continuous monitoring and readiness are key.
As inhabitants of this fragile blue planet, we stand at the brink of a cosmic reality, the looming threat of a meteorite impact. But fear not, for our collective ingenuity and determination hold the key to safeguarding our home. By embracing science, fostering innovation, fostering global unity, and raising public awareness, we can shield Earth from celestial harm. Let us arm ourselves with knowledge and unite in the noble cause of planetary defense. Together, we can forge a path to a safer tomorrow for generations to come. As we journeyed through the vast expanse of space and unraveled the mysteries of science, we discovered the infinite wonders that the universe holds. From distant galaxies to the tiniest particles, each revelation brought us closer to understanding the beauty of existence. Remember, curiosity is our compass in this cosmic adventure, guiding us to explore the unknown and embrace the marvels that await. Let's continue this exploration together, for the universe is our playground, waiting to be discovered.